This tutorial by needlepointers.com will show you how to make this Halloween no-sew fabric wreath. I like this project because it is super easy to make, super inexpensive if you use fabric scraps, and super awesome looking. For a written photo tutorial of this project, go to our website by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. First, you need to gather your supplies. You will need a wire wreath frame, 2 to 2.5 yards of assorted fabric or assorted fabric scraps, and that's what you need for a medium-sized wreath. Rotary cutter with pinking blade, mat, acrylic ruler, scissor, and ribbon for hanging. You will be cutting fabric strips into 1 inch by 6 inch strips. An easy way to do this is to use a rotary cutter with a pinking blade. The pinking blade will help prevent the fabric from fraying and give the wreath a decorative edge. Cut strips of fabric that are 6 inches wide from salvage to salvage. Now stack the fabric together. Cut off the salvage and then start cutting the strips 1 inch wide. Continue doing this for the fabrics. Okay, you're going to be working in sections. And as you can see, I have my strips cut. Now this color, for instance, I don't have a whole lot of black. I only have 48. Since there are 6 sections, I know that I can only use 8 of these in the section. So you have to take that into consideration when you're doing this. Take one of the strips, place it under the wire in half, then make an overhand knot. And pull it tight. Take the next strip in a different color and do the same thing on the next wire. Continue adding strips. Now, as you tie the strips, for instance, I'm going to be tying the next one on here, you want to tie it and then push it close to the other one that you tied. By doing this, you will give the wreath a fuller appearance. Continue doing this in the one section until it's filled. Then go to the next section and continue section after section until you have filled the entire wreath with fabric strips. I finished the wreath. You can attach a ribbon on the back for hanging it, and it's ready to go just as is. I like it as is. However, you can embellish it if you want by tying on or gluing some sort of Halloween ornament or ribbon. This project can be used for all types of occasions and holidays. I hope you enjoyed the Wreath project tutorial and decide to make wreaths yourself. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel. Keep up with us by following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. To follow us, click the iCard or the link in the description below. Also visit our website, needlepointers.com, for interesting crafting tutorials and free craft projects.